Hello and welcome to Market Ki Baatein. As we wait for people to assemble, let me just introduce myself. My name is Raja Venkatraman. I'm part of the Chart Advice team and I'm the co-founder of NeoTrader and I'm happily married for more than 12 years. I'm having a wonderful son who's keeping me energetic just like the markets. So, hi Prashant, welcome to this show. Today is Market Ki Baatein, episode number 17, and every episode we try and discuss how can we take the learnings ahead, how can we try and find out how to connect with the markets. So every time I come down on this live feed, I try and interact with everyone just to get a feel of what is your thinking, what do you think about any aspects of the market. So and I try and interact and share my opinion. That's why I'm here. So today's question today's question is stop loss necessary for trader? So what is your take on this, Prashant? Yes, yes, we're waiting for some more people to join in, but as people are coming by, what do you feel? Is stop loss necessary for a trader? That is the question for the day. What do you do? Do you keep stop loss in the system or do you keep stop loss in your mind? Yes, so you keep stop loss. Very good. And what happens when the stop loss gets triggered? Hi Ayushi, welcome. Waiting for some more people to join in. So meanwhile, today's question is whether is stop loss necessary for a trader? Hi Sandeep. This is what we are going to be discussing about. We are going to be discussing about it is a stop loss series which I'll be coming out with. I'll be coming on this format of Market Ki Baatein twice a week. On Tuesdays for the next few weeks, we'll be discussing about some sectors, and on Thursdays, we'll be discussing about some other elements. So now we are discussing about there are some certain questions regarding stop loss which I would like to ask you all. So that's why I am asking you, is stop loss necessary for a trader? Yes, as people who are joining in, you can answer the queries along with other people. We can have a live response about your opinion also. So you keep stop loss in the software. That's very good. Okay, Ayushi says yes, stop loss is necessary. The question is whether are you able to place stop loss? Do you place a stop loss at the time of entry? Those who are saying yes, yes. Prashant said a very valid thing. You keep the stop loss in your mind. Thanks, Prashant, for admitting that's what many of us do. Many of us actually place a stop loss mentally. Mental stop loss is very much there. Hi Rishikesh, hi Kapil. But we need to see how can we actually go about this understanding. We all want to have stop loss, right? When somebody gives you a trade, what is the first thing you ask? इसका stop loss कहाँ पे? इसका stop loss कहाँ पर रखना है? These are all the questions we ask. And why do we feel? We feel that yes, stop loss is necessary, but some of us feel stop loss is not necessary. So who amongst the ones who are live right now feel that the stop loss is mandatory? One side feels stop loss is necessary, one side feels that stop loss is mandatory. So some of you feel that yes, stop loss is necessary, but you are in midway. You are standing in between by keeping it on mental stop loss. So what really happens when the mental stop loss is triggered? What happens when the mental stop loss is triggered? Can someone tell me? A very common thing happens. Can someone tell me? Yes, when the mental stop loss is triggered, the first thing what happens is we become numb. Why? Because none of us expected that the stop loss will get triggered. Correct? None of us expected that the stop loss will get triggered. And what really happened? That the trade reversed. Yes, Mayur, you're right. Stop loss, at that point, you feel that you have picked the perfect spot. वहां पर जाके स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया, तो आपको लगता है कि वो परफेक्ट स्पॉट से अब मार्केट उठेगा या वो स्टॉक उठेगा. बट होता क्या है वास्तव में? इफ द स्टॉक इज नॉट होल्डिंग ऑन टू दैट लेवल, इट स्टार्ट्स कमिंग डाउन. एंड दैट्स व्हाई दे से दैट इंट्राडे बिकम्स पोजिशनल. इंट्राडे के सोच से हम लोग ले लेते हैं. उसके बाद जब वी स्टार्ट पार्टिसिपेटिंग एंड देन वी फाइंड आउट दैट यस दिस ट्रेड आज नहीं चला कल चलेगा. करेक्ट? So some of you say that stop loss is, yes, Prashant says stop loss is necessary but not mandatory. I would say stop loss is mandatory, all in caps. And why is that? And why is that? Hi Sudesh. Why is a stop loss mandatory? Stop loss is necessary मतलब हाँ मैंने पढ़ा है, कई लोगों से सुना है कि stop loss रखना अच्छा है. Right? Like they say, it's good to wear seat belt, but some of us wear it, some of us don't. Unless you meet with an accident, then you realize that yes, I should be wearing seat belt. And similarly, markets, we are only losing some money, so we don't really actually bother to think on those lines. But then there will come a time when you not placing the stop loss is resulting in a strong capitulation, okay, of all the profits which you had earned. And what will happen? Thank you, Mayur, for admitting. Yes, that's why I am bringing out these kind of discussions. Thank you all for participating. So it makes, so आप लोग participate करेंगे तो मार्केट की बातें इज नॉट मोनोलॉग. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग टू द कैमरा, आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू गाइज, ऑल नाइस पीपल हु हैव कम एट दिस टाइम. तो आप लोग भी डालिए आपका ओपिनियन, सो विल हैव अ गुड इंटरेक्शन एंड दैट्स हाउ आवर कम्युनिटी विल ग्रो. दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट मोर एंड मोर पीपल टू कम हियर. सो इफ यू आर लाइव राइट नाउ, इफ यू फील सम ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स कैन बेनिफिट, डू शेयर दिस लिंक टू देम राइट अवे. सो स्टॉप लॉस के मामले में काफ़ी लोगों को जानकारी है, बट वॉट रियली हैपन्स इज दैट दे रियली डू नॉट बॉदर. सबको लगता है कि देख लेंगे. राइट? एवरी ह्यूमन बीइंग हैज गॉट एन एटीट्यूड, देख लेंगे. सो जब समय आता है स्टॉप लॉस ट्रिगर होने का, तब लोगों के मन में क्या आता है? देख लेंगे नहीं आता है, वो सिर्फ देखते रहते हैं. सो the point here is that stop loss is a point where your analysis goes wrong. आपका एनालिसिस चार्ट के ऊपर हो सकता है, आपका एनालिसिस न्यूज़ के ऊपर हो सकता है, या आपका एनालिसिस कोई आप पार्ट न्यूज़, पार्ट इंफॉर्मेशन, पार्ट somebody else's help, whatever it may be. When you take a trade, it is based on some foundation, and when that foundation, when I say a trade, it doesn't mean long or watch. लॉन्ग और शॉर्ट से मतलब नहीं है. इसमें क्या है, हम देख रहे हैं कि जो बुनियाद है based on which the trade has been taken, if that itself is nullified, अगर वो मिट जाती है तो फिर आपको क्या करना है? आपको उस ट्रेड से एग्जिट करना है. what happens many times is people start connecting to their previous trade, and then many times they don't take a trade. Suppose आज आपका PVR में stop loss हो गया, तो आप क्या बोलेंगे कि PVR में I don't make money, I always get stopped out. So treat each trade differently, and to treat each day differently, the first thing is that you have to be alive. You have to be alive to come to the market the next day, and it is only possible when you control the risk. And for controlling the risk, you have to fix the stop loss in the system. Unless and until you don't do it, then it could happen one day that the stop loss takes away your capital. And once your capital has gone, then you will have to worry about how you are going to raise the capital. And once you raise the capital, you will not be having the similar kind of confidence. Yes, why do you find that the ratio of people who make money to lose money is not changing? Because most of us feel that stop loss is just a number, right? Who all agree with me that many people feel that stop loss is just a number, right? काफी लोगों को लगता है स्टॉप लॉस इज जस्ट अ नंबर, ऑपरेटर देख लेगा, ब्रोकर देख लेगा. आप किस किस चीज को कंट्रोल कर सकते हो? इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल, राइट? द ओनली थिंग यू कैन ट्राई एंड कंट्रोल इज योर एबिलिटी टू मेक मनी एंड योर एबिलिटी टू लूज मनी. योर एबिलिटी टू मेक मनी इज ओपन एंडेड. क्यों? क्योंकि इट इज coming from the market. But your ability to lose money is something which you know. If you're going to buy PVR at 1250, you know that morning it was at 1200, now it is at 1250. So you should understand, like somebody had posted, you have to consider the volatility at which it has moved. उसके हिसाब से आपको stop loss रखना है. अगर आपको stop loss is not comfortable, then it also gives you that flexibility of not taking the trade. Many times we are not measuring the stop loss and the kind of risk which we are taking on, and we take the trade. And what really happens is that we are unable to handle. Most of the people का problem क्या होता है? When they take a trade and the trade goes against them, that is where the problem starts coming. And when that begins to happen, people either they don't keep a stop loss, or they try and exit early, and then it becomes a big mess. So when it comes to the question for today of this series, stop loss series part 1, is stop loss necessary for a trader? My word is mandatory. I use the word necessary with a purpose. I want to say that stop loss is mandatory. As long as you keep stop loss, you will be able to understand what is going wrong, and you will be able to immediately switch from trade A to trade B. Because you know that yes, this trade is not working, so I should now look for another trade. Why? Because you are protecting your capital, and that makes it very, very easy for you to look forward to the next trade. You have to treat each day differently, each trade differently, and that's how you will be able to evolve as a trader. Trader investor कोई नहीं होता. It is just the time frame. इंट्राडे ट्रेड का टाइम फ्रेम बढ़ा दो, मल्टी डे हो जाता है. मल्टी डे का टाइम फ्रेम बढ़ा दो, पोजिशनल हो जाता है. पोजिशनल का और टाइम फ्रेम बढ़ा दो, इन्वेस्टर हो जाता है. सो मार्केट ट्रूथ इज buy at a lower level, sell at a higher level. Your buying price should be lower than your selling price. All right. So this is what I wanted to share as part of today's Market Ki Baatein. This is the part 1 of this series. I'll be coming up with few more questions on this very important aspect of stop loss, because especially in this COVID era, there has been lot of volatility. And when volatility increases, it becomes very essential to apply stop loss so that you are able to understand how to look at the market and how to apply your strategy. And if everything is going fine, no problem at all. But then when things don't begin to move in your favor, then yes, you should have the kind of discipline to apply the stop loss, and that will ensure that you are able to come back to the market. Market is like a watering hole, just like in the forest. That's where every day there is continuous water coming to that stream. If you don't apply stop loss, you will not be able to come back to the market and participate. All right, I hope you got some insight on this particular element. If you like what I have shared, do leave a comment on this particular video, and also share this video with as many people as possible, and also share this video, and also follow us on Instagram if you've not yet done it, and also take a look at our YouTube videos on Chart Advice Profits for You. That's my YouTube handle. You can go and take a look there. We have got a lot of interesting videos on various topics, various market analysis. You can go there and subscribe to that channel as well. All right, thank you for being online. You all been quite participative. That's how I want. So I'll be coming on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Next time we'll be discussing about different kinds of stop losses which are there, and I'll be sharing with you how we'll take up one type of stop loss, and we'll see how to understand that stop loss mechanism so that all of you can be guided in the right way. All right, thank you everyone. Have a good day.